This event, we would like to take the opportunity of this General Assembly to give an award, an exemplary award to one person. She's been with the organization very actively since 2002. Since 2002, she rendered outstanding performance as president. In fact, for 9 years. Woo! Hero, right? Let me just read through what our history book says. In 2002, Engineer Antonina Gonzalez Moreno strengthened the participation from the alumni group of FAMI into a very active participation in all NAMA activities and programs, like the scholarships, outreach, sports, name it, name is at the head of it. FAMI participation with engineering in 2006 was very marked. She was the chair for NAMA Alumni Homecoming in charge of the Ways and Means Committee. And for 3 years, 3 consecutive years, she remained the chair. Napaka-tedious job, but she did it. She was the NAMA secretary for 4 years, and later, during her term, FAMI had a fundraising campaign for the Mapua Alumni Center in Tycoon Building. That's the Ortigas Center of NAMA. And then the SEC registration happened and amended the FAMI organization to include engineering management, so that FAMI became FAMI EM during her tenure in 2009. So EMG was included. Also, at the Mapua World in the 2009 convention in Houston, Texas, this couple, in fact, even Robbie deserves an exemplary award from us. But suffice it to say, me muna ngayon. So they were there representing FAMI EM, and then in 2011, we had another General Assembly at the Audiovisual Room of MIT. And she did another wonderful alumni homecoming in 2010 at the Mapua Gym. From 2011 to present, thank you, Ming, for your unwavering determination, because you continued through thick and thin, through people or no people. Diba? So, she was a very active advisor. She saw through the 3 transitions or 4 transitions of the organization from FAMI to FAMI EM to Britannia to MAMC through the years. She's still there. So, for 24 years and counting for Ms. Ming Moreno, we continue to witness her steadfast guidance, right? Through the years, assuring and ensuring succession. And today, ladies and gentlemen, shall we give a warm applause and our heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Antonina Gonzalez Moreno. And I would like to call all the officers in front to give her the award. We love you, Ming.